Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You should know up front, I can't help with hacks or bypasses. Instead, start by securing your account and using official channels. This protects progress and purchases. Once done, focus on quick wins, claim daily rewards, complete the shortest quests, and join live games for bonus tokens. These first actions build momentum and accumulate the resources you need to get more Blooks legitimately, while avoiding risks like bans or stolen credentials. Now you move into scalable earning. Play modes with the best token-to-time ratio and focus on events that drop boxes or pack rewards. Make sure to save tokens for known sale windows. Buying during bundles often nets more Blooks per token. Also, team up in party or classroom sessions. Playing with friends increases play volume and exposure to bonus drops. These steps increase your chances of getting rarer Blooks without resorting to unsafe methods, and they finish by spending thoughtfully. Stagger box openings and target events with better odds, rather than blowing tokens in one go. If something goes wrong, first verify your payment method and internet, clear cache, and retry on the official app or site. These fixes resolve most issues. If tokens or Blooks are still missing, contact official support with screenshots and timestamps. They can restore purchases. This keeps your account safe and maximizes legitimate progress toward collecting more Blooks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.